we'll guide you through how to set up WooCommerce for your e-commerce site. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and make sure you have WordPress installed. Once you're in the dashboard, head over to the Plugins section on the left-hand menu and click on Add New. In the search bar, type WooCommerce and hit Enter. You should see WooCommerce by Automatic as the first result. Click on Install Now, and once it's installed, click on Activate. This will take you to the WooCommerce Setup Wizard, which is designed to help you configure your store quickly. You'll be prompted to enter your store details, such as address, currency, and what products you plan to sell. Make sure you fill these out accurately. The next step is choosing your payment methods. You can select from popular options like PayPal, Stripe, or direct bank transfer. Simply toggle on the ones you want to use and follow the on-screen instructions to configure them. After that, you'll be asked to set up shipping options. You can decide whether you'll offer free shipping, flat rate, or local pickup. WooCommerce also allows you to set different rates for different regions, so take your time to configure this according to your business needs. Once you complete these steps, you can add your products. Go to Products, then Add New. Here, you can enter your product name, description, price, and images. Don't forget to categorize your products for better organization. Finally, ensure your store's appearance matches your brand by going to Appearance and then Customize. Here, you can tweak your theme settings, colors, and fonts to make sure everything looks just right. Congratulations! Your WooCommerce store is now set up and ready to go live. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.